Utilizing state-of-the-art automation, these machines peel and dice vegetables with unparalleled uniformity and speed.
The samosa filling is evenly spread and rapidly cooled by powerful air fans before being seamlessly transferred to the next conveyor.
Check the gauge on line 3. It's holding steady at 2 millimeters, boss.
Here at the factory, precision cutting machines slice the dough into perfect samosa-shaped wraps.
This one here needed adjustment.
Okay, I've corrected the feed rate. Looks good now.
The weight is consistent at 102 grams, and the snap confirms the frying duration.
Agreed. We can approve this batch for shipment.
This high-speed line utilizes advanced sensors and sealing jaws to instantaneously pack the samosas, maintaining a completely steam-free environment.
While the machines handle high-volume testing, skilled technicians perform meticulous manual inspections at adjacent stations.
Are the 2D codes passing the grade check? Yes, all B grades and above, we are clear.
We have a red flag on the automated sorting system.
Override initiated. Flow diverted to Bay 3.
Keep it coming, watch your clearance. Okay, set it down right here.
We can push the next load through once the robotic arms clear the platform.
All right, I've updated the manifest.
All right, keep it straight. Slow down now. And stop.
flow rate on the blue line is slowing down. We need to check the sorter.
I see it. Rerouting the overflow to the green lane now.
A little further back, centralized. Right there is good.
Confirmed.
A little further back, centralized. Right there is good.
Confirmed.
Okay, back it up a little more.
Ramp secure on this side.
Got the manifest ready for the first pallet?
Make sure these are all the pannier ones.
Yeah, I'm checking the labels now. We need to freeze these first.
Did you find everything all right?
Yes, thank you.
That will be 12.50.
The key is to maintain a consistent temperature as the samosas turn that perfect golden brown.
And here we have the final presentation. Golden brown, perfectly crispy samosas, fresh from the oil and ready to eat.
Here's the delivery manifest for the frozen goods. If you could sign right here, please.
Sure. Looks like everything is accounted for.
Here at the factory, the freshly made samosas are carefully placed into export-grade cartons with reinforced insulation.
Look at this spike in the negative sentiment score right here.
It correlates directly with the Q3 product launch. We need to investigate.
Agreed. Let's isolate that data set.
As you can see, the yield dipped right here on the chart.
That's when the new process was implemented downstairs. We need to review the transition phase data.
The texture analysis shows we are within the acceptable range for firmness.
Good, the flavor profile on this batch is much closer to the target.
Look at the Fahrenograph data on the screen. The water absorption is higher than expected.
We should adjust the mixer speed accordingly before the next run.
The gauge reading is stable here.
All right, I've logged that on the tablet. The centrifuge is clear.
Perfect, system's fully operational.
The turbidity levels are stabilizing nicely.
Good, we can increase the flow rate on the tertiary filters.
The flow meter indicates we are ready for redirection. Opening the valve. Monitor the pressure at manifold 3.
Watch the clearance on the main feeder.
Looks good. Tightening the last mount now.
All right, confirm connection status on the tablet.
The precision on the shaping cycle is flawless.
Agreed. The thermal readings are stable as well.
This sequence controls the arm's velocity.
What if the pressure reading exceeds the limit shown here?
That's where the override protocol comes in. Follow me.
Continue moving smoothly to the muster point. Johnson.
Right here, Mr. Foreman.
Thank you. Ensure the path is clear behind us.
The air velocity in the shower unit is within acceptable parameters.
Good. Let's verify the hand wash timing next.
This motor housing is secured.
Good. Check off item 4 on the tablet.
Okay, this one is logged, moving to aisle 4.
Got it. Did you check the shelf life on those?
The 3D model shows a potential bottleneck at junction 4.
We could reroute the conveyors, but we need to ensure the...
The complete factory ecosystem, captured in stunning 4K detail, showcases the intricate...
A true ecosystem of industry. The entire complex, from the loading docks to the